Hi, my name is Alvin and I will be talking to you about ancient Egypt invention. While ancient Egypt is usually associated with pharaohs, mummies, and pyramids, a great number of ancient Egypt inventions are used in our everyday lives. One of many ancient Egypt inventions was an early system of writing, now recognized around the world, known as hieroglyphics. Not only did the ancient Egyptians invent a system of writing, but they also invented the paper on which to place it. Taken from the fibers of the papyrus plant, Egyptian paper was the first of its kind. Of Egyptian invention also include cells living in such close proximity to the Nile River. It would have been imperative for the Egyptians to devise a efficient method of water transportation. One of the inventions before Christ in Egypt was surprisingly black ink. The Egyptian people were very talented at creating not only black ink but many multicolored type of black ink and dye. The process and depth of color utilized in the Egyptian invention of ink and dye was so marvelous that this brilliant hound color can be still be seen today thousands of years later. In ancient Egypt, board games were extremely popular and many different kinds existed, both for two players at a time and multiple players. One of the most popular ancient Egyptian games, a version of which is still practiced in modern day Egypt today, was Senet. Senet. This is the ancient Egypt of technology. Thank you for watching.